Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your files, so copy important folders to an external drive or cloud. Once done, reboot into safe mode with networking using Shift plus Restart or F8. You do this because safe mode loads minimal drivers and stops the update loop process. Make sure to disable automatic restart in System Properties so you can read error codes. While in safe mode, check Event Viewer for Windows Update Client Errors and note the exact error text. This directs the next corrective actions. You now fix the update engine. Open an elevated command prompt and stop WUSERV, bits, and crypts so you can safely reset caches. Once stopped, rename Software Distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to force Windows to recreate clean caches, and then restart services. After that, run dism with /online/cleanupimage followed by sfc/scano to repair component store and system files. These tools correct corruption that causes repeated restarts. If a command fails, note the error and proceed carefully. You finish by booting normally and running Windows Update. Install pending updates one at a time so you can isolate a problematic package. Once done, verify stability and check update history for any recurring KB numbers. If the loop persists, use System Restore to a known good point or perform an in-place repair install to preserve files while repairing Windows. One key troubleshooting tip: if a specific KB repeats, hide that update temporarily and research its known issues before reapplying it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.